Hey Mama, I thank you so much for the love that you've given me. You never abandoned me when I ever cried. Look now, I'm a big boy. Thank you, Mama. Thank you, Papa. I love you so much. We drag a book of another time. When we don't fight, we can shout or weep. Like birds freely, we can live. Like swallows in the sky, we can freely fly. Oh, oh. There is a child crying out at sea, complaining over the rain, it doesn't stop. When shall he enjoy the dry land? Playing ping pong with the Jim and Bree outdoors. Whenever the rain doesn't stop, children out, they don't play. Living the night with the counted stars. Tell me who's gonna stop the rain? Whenever the rain doesn't stop, children out, they don't play. Tell me who's gonna stop the rain? Was for a reason nowadays again. Children are born and growing names, learning to curse, kill and backbiting. What and who's gonna stop the fight? Oh, oh. All this, it is you all does. You're chasing it even as if you play. But if you go the other side of the corner, the little kid will be badly beat.